What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Lil Shay, man. We back with another video, man. I ain't got the same shirt on this time, man, but we grinding out here, man. So we at the Waldos chicken and beer meat. The last time we had this meat, it was packed. But we're gonna see how it goes. It's from 3 to 5. It's already packed, and it's 3:06. So we finna get out and we finna check all these cars out. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know in the comments what car y'all like. Oh, we got a Viper here and everything. Oh yeah, we clean now. We got that motherfucker clean. Feel me? We can't ride dirty. Feel me? Oh yeah, we stupid clean now. Got that motherfucker on icy glaze. Big, my boy. Big, right on in there, big. What's up, big Nick? Oh, this motherfucker tall, my boy. This motherfucker tall, my boy. Tall. What he on, 26s? Oh, he on 24s. What the hell is it? Gear wheels or gear wheels? Whatever. Nice ass L250 though. She got that Lamborghini SV. Big chillin', huh? She like, yep. Oh yeah, that boy 5% all around, boy. Yeah. That boy got 5% all the way through this thing, including the front windshield. This fog body so clean. Yeah, it's deep. Got a roof, took the roof up. This mother's so clean to me. You should have got up early. Should have got up early, Jesse. Oh, no, that is not Jesse. Oh, I like that Viper right there. Viper right there, nasty. This mother's so black. Damn, that was sick. Jeez. Super. I like that orange jersey. That's crazy. Little convertible, BMW. Got the quad exhaust. Oh, you talking the 4 y'all? Come on, good, my boy. You saw that goddamn camera, that's what it was. Oh, that boy, big chiller. He got the feet out and everything. That boy said that's the best thing in the truck. Hey, so what you do? Take your wheels off?
What
you do? Take your rims off?
No, I traded. That's about those. I got rid of them 26s.
I feel you.
Yeah, and the new that got.
What's up with it?
26s on it. I traded that bike for it.
Oh man.
Sorry.
Oh, you good? Depressed. This is more clean. My boy John, boy got the two-tone wrap.
Got new splitters put on.
I kind of figured you were going that way too.
I got the steering wheels on.
I'm on my way to that too.
The seats though, the seats are at Slick Auto. They're getting put on probably Monday or Tuesday because the bracket won't be here until Monday. Yeah. Now I got a whole new diffuser, got new splitters.
Well, I love that steering wheel though. That steering wheel my best thing. I've been trying to find one for my car, but it's so hard trying to find one.
CZD on Instagram. They'll make one for you.
I'm gonna have to go and check them out because I need me one. Big chillin'. That steering was nasty though. That steering was sick. He killed that. Like, y'all gotta look at the details in this steering wheel though. The steering wheel nuts. The steering wheel on this one was sick. Yeah, that steering was sick, boy. He done put the headlights in here now. Weird. He ain't tell me to put new headlights in it.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he did, didn't he?
Yeah, he ain't tell me that.
I didn't need to tell me that either.
Yeah. Oh, slick stuff.
They look good though.
Yeah. He gonna hit it, watch. They got a whole crowd. Well, got them all cleaned up. Oh, Camaro. That boy got the T-tops. T-tops in that thing. We got the C7 Sting, right? Got the, take the vert off. Huh. Got the old Corvette. Yeah, my boy. Oh, this one is super clean. Chill out, my boy. Chill out. Oh, this one stupid clean. Got the little Sting, right? Chill, my boy. This one is super clean. Talking about dope. I'll be leaving them keys right there now.
No, it's only gonna have fun.
No, we ain't gonna take your car now.
I remember you saying.
Got the little carbon fiber.
I'm alright.
Carbon fiber hood on there. I like this headlights though. Oh, what the heck is that? Clean. We got a little spoil on that too. But they gonna cause that thing is flying. That's a big old intercooler. Sheesh. But it's gonna clean too. I like the blue. Got that fin for the win. For a rental though, I love this little car for a rental. Got the 392 y'all saw earlier on the last video. Oh shit. That boy got a coat here, boy. What? Oh. Boy, Jeremy. Out over here. To this slope. Supposed to give another nice right here. Nice. That one stupid clean. Yeah. Stupid clean, man. It's just stupid. That boy got the burgundy interior. Nice old C6. Like the base model. Got the Ford Focus. Got the Type R in green. Oh, plenty, bro. The green wheels. But that mother smoked. You can't see nothing. I like this spoil. Oh my god, this spoil is so big. Shoot. I ain't know they had carbon fiber on there too. Oh snap, three little pipes. Where you going, my boy? Where you going? I was just working my way to him too. I should have got him. What is this? Oh, this more clean. This more stupid clean. Stupid clean. But that more so clean.
Clipped on the steering wheel and it bought picture
of You got the bullet. Nastiest GTR ever.
He's probably done that over his little truck. You gotta redo it. It is, man. I washed my car and drove here and it was green when I got here.
Pollen season, man.
Man, I know it. That's why you gotta get that ceramic coating, you know?
Hey, you got to. What's up, man?
I watch your videos, man.
Where your other one at? Where your other one at?
Man, we got 4 of these things, and one of them's in Maryland. I ain't broke it out, my red one. Like, when I get it back to Maryland, I'm gonna show it. So it's got the fin on it. You know, It looks badass, dude. It makes a lot more horsepower than these do.
Man,
And then I got that Nismo, you know.
man, I love that Nismo.
Yeah, it's
Man.
just, you know, it's just a lot of work, man. Every time you get them out clean.
Yeah,
you know?
I know the headache.
This time of year, man, we got them damn gnats out real bad over where we live. And them little bitty black fly-looking gnats. We done been to Cersei and this morning, got out early. Had to go to the car wash, man. It was damn thick on the front. And,
I was finna go to one in Cersei this morning, but I was like, nah,
it's growing. It's not.
going as fast.
Yeah, but it was more today, he said, than what he's had. But it wasn't probably.
I said in the middle of the summer, then it's gonna pick up.
Might have been 15, 16, a couple bites, you know. Look at that truck.
Cause I know every time I go, it always be like 4 or 5 calls. I be like, man, I'm just gonna keep going, baby.
Yeah, I was down TX too, wasn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure
Man,
was.
when I you got it. Huh. Hello. They got that Tony. My boy. They gonna take, boy, these things actually taller than the mud, my boy. These mugs tall. Boy, you can't see nothing enough. My first time actually being up on the TRX, but this one's big on the cool. This mug's so wide. Too.
I ain't put on punch things. I got punch veins too. I just turned it up.
GT350. That was sick, but then you got the Toyota Tacoma. We got a K&N with a gold on it. Feel me? You got the Audi RS. That more clean too. Clean too. Got the 5.0 Mustang. Got the Camaro SS with the 15s at the back. Then you got the little Hemi right here too. And we got the last row. Litter and tail. For the GTR right here, so nasty. Nasty. Then you got the Stinger. Then you got the Honda Civic SI. And you got the Volkswagen. And you got another GTR. Oh. But that one nasty too. Got the Type R. I'm all clean too. Got the white wheels. Oh, clean. I'm gonna be twins.
Yeah.
Something about the Type R. Alright, y'all, that's the end of my video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Hit that notification bell, man. Enjoy the Little Chef family, man. We going up all 2023, man. So y'all stay tuned for the next video. We finna be going to the Monster Jam. So stay tuned for that video. Y'all can catch that on the next video. Peace out.